Today we are looking at a year 2000 Erwin Yunker combination ID-OD grinder, which we have in our facility under power, with several features that I'll explain. On the control system area, we have a Fanuc 21i control. Above that is control gauging for the ID-OD gauging system and the wheel balancing system here for the main spindle. Manual pulse generator. This machine has several automatic features such as the gauging I had just mentioned, automatic dressing. This is the ID 4 horsepower spindle with the cover for the wheel, which will automatically open to accommodate the part. We have Renishaw probe, which is automatic on a slide. The main wheel for the OD is 24 inches in diameter and can go to 5 inches in width. This is the lifting device for the wheel to take on and take off. The work head on the machine. The way covers appear to be in new condition in all directions. This machine was purchased new by GE Aviation to do a test on a special product which did not materialize over a period of time. They had the machine in storage when we had purchased it late in 2015. Everything functions properly on the machine. We'll walk around the side. Everything is extremely well built. This is the glass, as you can see, is original and we can see right through it. THK linear bearing guides for all of the doors, all the safety switches, e-stops are to today's standards, including the CE approved tag. Coming around the back side of the machine is the coolant system, paper filter. This is an evacuation electronic filter system on the back of the machine. As mentioned, Heidenhain scales for X and Z. We have the electrical cabinet temporarily hooked up in our facility, and as you can see, the quick disconnects. So a very easy way to disconnect and reconnect the machine. And we'll open up the electrical cabinet, which is very clean, right to an OEM standard. Coming around the side of the electrical cabinet, power source, 460 volt, 60 cycle, 40 kVA. Hydraulic unit. Again, opposite of the other door we just talked about, the THK, the safety switches to get in and out of the machine. We have this end door cap off so we can look inside the machine from the end. Fanuc servo motors. The ways are flat and V. And when we pull the way covers back, there appears to be no use on these ways. Coming back around to the CNC control, we have a runtime on this machine of a total of 250 hours. We had touched the paint up on the machine as the coolant they had used and then put in storage for a period of time had deteriorated some of the paint. The machine does have leveling fixators for each of the points to level the machine complete. Thank you for taking the time to view our machine here at Machinery Works.